Are you finding it takes you forever to create engaging and search engine optimized descriptions for your YouTube videos? Hey, it's Auret here with Essetinomedia, always helping you create profitable content. With AI, you can easily write high-quality video descriptions quickly and efficiently. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that with an AI tool called Jasper.ai. So let's get started. So this is Jasper, what you're seeing on the screen right now, and I'm in the dashboard. And what you need to do is go to templates, and you can see they have, this is how actually the biggest difference between Jasper and ChatGPT is that they provide all of these out-of-the-box templates that you could use. And one of the ones that they have here is video description. So when you click on that, it asks you for really simple inputs, just 3 inputs. Video title, and I'm just going to put the title, or at least the working title, of this video that I'm creating right now. So let's say how to use AI to write your YouTube video descriptions, and then keywords to rank for. So the keyword that I'm trying to rank for is how to use AI. And if you're not sure about what that keyword should be, I teach a 5-step SEO method for YouTube to rank your videos higher in the search engines. And I teach how to optimize your video around a specific keyword. If that's something that you're interested in, you could head down to the description and check out that course. It's called The Profitable Channel. But otherwise, for the sake of this, just choose something that is the main topic for the video that you're creating the description for. So the next part here is tone of voice. And I usually like to go with down to earth, friendly. That's kind of like our vibe, you know, authentic. And this section right here is actually in beta. This is really cool, by the way. If you are inputting in a different language, you could tell it to output in English, or vice versa. Let's say you're inputting this information in English and you have a Korean channel or something like that. You could output in that language. So I have this turned off since it's just English to English. So let's see what happens when I hit generate. Oh, and before I hit generate, actually, you can see this area down here. This is the number of outputs that you want it to generate. And I generally like to start with 3. I don't do 1 just because I want a little bit of variety, but you could absolutely tell it to output more. Just keep in mind that those outputs will count towards your credits, which Jasper works on a credit-based system. So let's just hit generate here for now. I'll just show you what this looks like. And you can see right off the bat, it's outputted a bunch of these here. Now, you see at the top, for all of the outputs, you have 5 specific choices that you can then make. You could tell Jasper that you like it, you could tell that you don't like it, and if you don't like it, it will refund the credits that this output took. And by the way, 1 credit equals 1 word, just so you know. So it'll refund back this entire amount of words if I choose to downvote it. I like this one and this one because there's an extra sentence about the benefits of using AI to write your video descriptions. So I'm going to actually choose this one. So I'll downvote this one and I'll just let it know that it's generic content. So let's go with this one. All I need to do next is just copy this, and then I can then paste it in my description in the paragraph area at the top of the description. Or if I want a little bit more, I want a couple more sentences, I can open this in what's called a document. It will basically copy this over to a document where I can then work with Jasper a little bit more if I want to ask it to give me a little bit more sentences. So let me show you this. I'm just going to hide this part here. And I'll say, write 2 more sentences. I'll actually put 2 more keyword optimized sentences to add to the video description above. And this is what's called a command. So I can either put this command in the box here, or a little trick is to go Control, Shift, and then Enter on my keyboard, and it'll start writing a little bit more. So let's see what it put here. In this video, you will learn how to use AI to write your YouTube video descriptions. This will help you save time and improve your ranking on YouTube. learn the secrets for using AI to craft SEO optimized content that can increase the visibility of your videos online. So you can see here, it's given me more text here, but of course, I always like to go back in and massage my own personality, or, maybe fact check anything that's not correct or it's not my tone of voice. So I might just modify a couple of these sentences or the words because it sounds a little bit too salesy. And then I can copy this, put this in my video description, and then put any relevant links below that paragraph in the description. And that's it. I wrote that Jasper wrote that in like 2 seconds. So if this AI tool looks like it can be helpful for you, I've included the link in the description below, which will give you a free trial as well as 10,000 bonus credits to get started. And full disclosure, I am an affiliate of Jasper, but I absolutely don't promote anything that I haven't used myself and that I don't fully believe in. This tool has helped me save so much time, so that's why I'm sharing it with you. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.